for us it's an eye-opener to learn and also to really look at winches.
So, Mr. Lin, what company are you from? Can you introduce your company?
Oh yeah, I'm from Alliance Zealand, so coming from Singapore. This is our logo, Alliance Zealand. We mainly deal with marine deck equipment and decommissioning in the sector of offshore wind, and especially for decommissioning.
So, what products are you most interested in from our company?
Of course, it's winches, right? The winches that we see, the cranes that we see, especially the sub 40 degrees Arctic conditions kind of crane, your booms, your so-called range of services, the safe working load, range of safe working load from I think it's up to about 8,000 tons that we have been doing for our clients. So it's been very impressive. We also saw, I think you can insert the pictures that you've taken into this video itself, your facility, right? Your machining bed, which is 26 meters long, one of the largest in the area here. So for us, it's an eye-opener to learn and also to really look at winches, because what we feel is in this market, people who are reliable, trustworthy, making products of the so-called highest quality. That is a rare breed, but today at OUCO we can see excellence in action.
Okay, so what are your impressions after visiting our factory?
Well, in fact, this is my first time here. Things certainly has gotten better. We can see the safety aspects that have been put in place, right? The so-called culture of your technicians, your workers, the team, the company culture coming together. We are having that impression that, hey, wow.
And we have a small portal right now.
Yes, definitely.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Mr.
Oh yes, thank you so much. I hope to see you again.